Hi everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Today we are starting a brand new series, Balloon Transport. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an airplane out of just one long balloon. Let's go! Let's inflate the balloon and tie the knot. The link to my how to tie a balloon video is in the description. How to make the nose of the plane. Twist 6-finger bubble and make 2 pinch twists. How to make the wings. First, let's decide on the size of the wing and twist the balloon. Then twist another bubble and same length. Bring them together and lock them. Now squeeze the balloon a little and twist it one more time. Adjust the balloons. The wings are ready. How to make the stabilizers and the tail. Twist 2 pinch twists and straighten the bubbles. Now let's draw their cockpit window and their portholes. It's easy and simple, do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Your Daisy.